Today let's order some coffee with Curious Roo. The way basically you can place your orders is through OrderSpace, our online platform, which I will walk you through. We take orders every Monday before 12, so you can place your order every time before Monday midday. And then we have the deliveries on the same week, is on Wednesdays or Thursdays. We have two options of delivery, usually it's on DHL or delivery bar van, it depends the postcode you are. Remember, always place your order before 12 and then you're gonna receive your coffee on the same week. Let me walk you through our OrderSpace platform. You're going to receive an email with a link that you can activate your account, and this is the main page you're going to see in your laptop. You have three options here. Let's walk them through. You have equipment and parts. In here you can find anything you need for your coffee setup, as Purocaf, jugs, scales, and all of the small details you might need. Let's say we can place one order for Purocaf. If you want to go back to the main screen, you press on the left side the Curious Roo sign, and then you go next, as you can see here on the coffee beans. You'll be able to see all the options of coffees we have. It depends on which coffee you are, if you're Bardon Blend or Brazil. If you're on the postcode that we agreed we can deliver you by van, you can choose the bucket. Otherwise, you can choose a 3 kg for the Bardon Blend on 1 kilo. You can find later the retail bags of the 250, and if you scroll down, you see the different options, for example. If you keep scrolling, you will be able to find the decaf as a 1 kilo or 250 grams, info cards for your team to be able to see the recipe and information about the coffee. And in the bottom, you'll find all the options we have for the filter at the period you're going to order. For example, let's place an order for a Bardon Blend. You have three options here. You have the Curious Roo branded bags, you have your own label or plain white bags. For your own label bags, we need the design at least 10 days before your logo, so we can design your label basically. You can order 4 bags maximum, and is that only for your retail. If you want Curious Roo branded bags, you place quantity per bag, and then if you want again plain white bags, you can choose the quantity you need. You press checkout, and then in here you'll be able to confirm your order. If you need to add any note to us, that is let's say collection, or you need something that you cannot find, please write it here and we'll be able to see it. Don't forget to order always a little bit more coffee so you can have 1 week's worth. It will be helpful so you don't run out. And that's it. Thank you guys. See you soon.